Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. I don't think this
Last
marriage
one.
quite had everyone's blessing.
Dave Boy, thanks for the gift sub. What? What the fuck was that? What even causes something like that? Their marriage is cursed now. Uh-oh.
I'm losing my job today.
Oh, that's not good.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What?
These guys went skydiving when everything that could have gone wrong went wrong.
That was not what I was expecting at all. Ew. It's disgusting. Oh, this is terrifying. Oh my god. Oh.
This is one of the craziest close calls I've ever seen.
What? What even was that? How? Yo, Connie, thank you for the 1K bits. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you very much. Crazy.
They were flying their drone near this cliff when an owl decided it was their time.
That owl thought he got a little snack. Yo, Packer, thank you for the bits.
Norway!
Aw. Yo, what the heck?
His golf club was offering 50.
Wait, what the heck? Eden, Nymph, and Ty, thank you guys for the raids. What the heck? So random. I hope you guys had great streams. Thank you. That's so nice. Thank you. Hello, raiders. Or I will turn down the follow mode. Thank you guys. I hope your streams were wonderful. How do I do this? So there we go. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed your streams. Hello. Raiders do this. Do not curse their eyes with that thing. Do not curse their eyes. Yeah, thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed your streams.
$1,000 to anyone who could make a hole in one.
Oh. Extend it! Get in the hole! Get in the hole!
Wow.
May not be joined in matrimony. You should declare it now.
The dog. Yo, Q-Rye, thank you for the prime. Thank you.
I guess they have a
Thank you, thank
playbook
you.
for bowling.
Rock on! 43 strike on 1-1.
Deathburger, thanks for 32 months.
Oh, see a penny, pick it up all day long, you'll have good luck. Hey? Pass it to a friend and your luck will never end.
Aw.
Oh,
Oh no! No! Her luck ended so quickly, I guess. Oof. Wow.
I guess this really is a camera in a nutshell.
Take a picture on a walnut camera.
These guys just go with the flow.
Interesting.
Why is our favourite thing about Uzbekistan the fact that the little green man that tells you across the road runs faster and faster until it goes red?
These are the creakiest stairs ever.
There was no warning or anything too. It was like, you better start running. Oh my god, it was so abrupt.
I got this. I'm not joking, it's like suctioning me in. Like, I'm really scared.
Oh,
really
no.
scared.
Ow! It looks like it hurts too.
That's so embarrassing. She's got herself in a swing.
Yeah, so this...
Sit back down.
Yay, freedom!
This is one of the most insane zoom-ins I've ever seen.
Ooh, it's a bee!
Y'all, look at this. Look. How did they get it to not spill? It's open.
It is open.
It's open. I mean, it sucks to have to be the one to clean this up, but I'm just wondering how they did it.
This kid was walking home from school during a heat wave
Something's
when he
not
came across
right.
the
Frog
stranger's pool.
Jeans, 33 months. Surface tension? I don't understand. But how did they even get it like that in the first place?
Jim, mate, where are ya? Jim! Where's he gone? What's he up to?
They managed to record this massive dust storm that was rolling into town. She woke up from surgery and couldn't remember who her boyfriend was.
You look a little weird, but you're cute.
Aww.
You're funny looking.
I like it. It suits you well.
I like you.
Aww.
Blow your mind right now. You wanna know how?
That cute guy's kissing me.
This guy was in Costa Rica when he ran into this snake mimic
That's
caterpillar.
so cute.
This is a snake mimic caterpillar, and it's about fully grown. We're gonna try to get it and see if we can get it to perform
That's
for
how
us.
you know she really likes him, even when her brain doesn't fully remember
that
she
guy
likes him.
is. Look at that.
Wait till she finds out they're together. Oh!
He's mastered the art of speaking backwards.
Papa likes to barbecue.
Are you AI? Yes! No. Well, maybe. I don't know.
Papa likes to barbecue.
Their 4th of July party was interrupted by this sudden storm.
Just... Yo, Oaf, thank you for the 10! Thank you, Oaf, I appreciate it! W off, W off, W off, thank you so much.
What the heck? What is that?
Is that not just a
That's
meteor?
a comet.
And a comet?
At least I think it's a comet.
Seeing this from the window of the airplane would
Yeah,
be
sucks.
absolutely
Thanks for 8
heartbreaking.
months.
High.
Hello. It's getting lost. Yo, Tatash though, thank you for the prime. Oh no. Oh no! Ooh! Whoa! So cool.
During an alligator's mating season, they make these noises to attract potential mates.
It's a mating call. That's not, don't type Fiki for that, that's weird. Oh my god.
This proves that the signs are there for a reason.
I'm looking at it says no.
Daddy.
Oh dear.
Why is your pants so high? Lift up your shirt. Let me see your pants.
She asked the waitress to
Well,
take
they
her
probably
friend's
doesn't wanna
plate
step
before
on
she
the
was finished.
I hate those videos because I would be so mad. Oh, so much snow.
I think he's been practicing this.
Whoa! Oh my god, he's learning martial arts. So cool. I remember Peach
Does
showing
anyone
me that.
know why his shadow's glitching?
Ошибку в real life. Как это? Пофиксите, разработчики, пофиксите, пожалуйста. Что-то не так.
Look at my socks. They're purple.
Oh, yours too? Texas, thanks for 2 months.
I wonder what he's trying to tell us.
Whoa. Sounds like you? What? No, it doesn't.
Is this the final boss of lawnmowers?
He's got a whole fleet. This has to be insanely dangerous, right? Beware the raccoon. Oh! But he's kind of skinny. He looks hungry.
No winch, no
Feed
problem.
him.
We have a safety brake going on. Look at this. Fell out of the curtain wall right here. Go ahead. Oh.
He came up with a super cool way to see underwater.
Oh, he's got an air pocket. That's cool.
All right, here we go.
I think he wanted an early dinner.
You're not having your dinner now. It's too early.
Oh. Oh, but he's hungry.
I'm not going out there with you, Mika. It's too early.
Oh.
See what you did?
You can see the exact moment when the regret kicked in.
Amy's latest amazing idea was spending 7,000 dirham to get the garden fully cat-proofed, and honestly, it's worked an absolute treat.
Wait, why don't they want cats in the garden?
These white lines in the sky are actually snow geese during their migration season.
Whoa, so many geese. I've never seen white geese before. I've only seen the evil Canadian
I guess
goose.
this guy's a rule breaker.
Y'all, I went to the doctor and my feet was hurt real bad, bro. They said I had chicken pox.
This wheelchair user was having trouble crossing the road, so a friendly neighborhood superhero came to their rescue.
Oh, that's nice. Meow. Aw, that's so nice. So fast.
Oh, he punched him. They're fighting. They're about to fight. Oh my god.
What is this emote? Hero. What is that? I've never seen that. Wow.
I found this old clip from over 10 years ago of a guy pulling a car while doing a handstand.
Psh, I could do that. Wow,
Yeah, I was
very
just taking this
impressive.
dog out for a walk this morning and check this. That's not what I wanted you to check. I was hoping to go there and break the ice, but that's still pretty sick.
That was a
So
perfect
I made
throw.
it even simpler for you guys to submit your videos to be featured on the channel.
Oh,
The submission
very
link is in
cool.
the description. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Thanks,
Later.
Mr. Daly.